It is a beautiful day today. It's so windy. Today, we're gonna do some crazy shit. We're gonna do some crazy shit. Almost. Hey, look. This car coming. What chance is this car? What the fuck? We're going the wrong way, bro. Hey, you corrected it though. You corrected it. You got straight. You almost hit that curb, bro. One more time. Alright, same clip. You got it. You barely saved yourself. He just got here. We're gonna meet Mr. Hill himself. Our dad. Job. It's Hill. What?
Okay, don't record him.
Alright, so we met up with Hill. We're following the school bus. Ethan's in his Beamer, but fuck no, it's hella windy right now. On some crazy shit. Hella windy. And it's raining. What? How better can it be, you know? Need I say more? Look how crazy. But we just got here. Oh my god, we just started making noise, but look, it's fucking raining. Hella. I don't even know if I want to go out. Fucking Ethan. Oh. It's fucking raining, bro. It's too bad, bro. We just got here. It's fucking crazy. Holy fucking shit. Oh, it's fucking. Oh my god, it's fucking. Oh, look at my fucking. Oh, it's fucking crazy out here. I'm gonna tell him that I'm gonna do some bad shit right now. What are you gonna do? I'm gonna be drifted.
Dude, I don't want to be any part of
No, you got to. Yeah. There's Alejandro. So we just stopped. Oh shit. So we just finished coming from fucking the school. Now we're at Alex's house. And Alex knows the spot. Wait,
I haven't seen daylight in 4 days. Right?
Fuck no, you look
at the
sleepy.
cat.
There's a cat.
On the window lip.
Dude, that fool's like, damn, you don't leave me like that.
For real.
Dude. I was gonna beat your ass when you come back. Oh, yeah. Alright guys, I wanted to talk to you guys about what the fuck happened to my fucking TC. I'm gonna show you the clip, you know, like what happened. And so pretty much, you know, that happened. I did reverse donuts like a dumbass. I mean, I've been doing it for a while, you know, but my friends have told me like it fucks it up, the transmission. They only told me once, one of them, but I didn't, you know, I still continued to do it, and it was bad this time. And throughout that whole time when we were drifting and shit, or sliding, it's called sliding. When we were sliding, when I kept pulling the e-brake, it kept making like a noise, like it sounded bad, and I kept continuing like a dumbass. But like, you know, I just tried to have fun, but you know, shit happens for a reason, and you know, if I fucked up the transmission. So as you guys can see in the video, I was pulling the e-brake, revving it, boom, 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 and it just completely just stopped moving after that. I tried putting it in drive. I put it in drive. It goes into gears and everything. It's just that it doesn't want to drive in a reverse too. It doesn't go in reverse. So yeah, and after that, I had to get it towed. To take it to a mechanic, and then yeah, he told me the same thing. You know, the transmission's gone. And I was like, and then he was charging hella, so I'm like, fuck no, I'm not gonna do that shit. And so pretty much now it's just sitting in front of my, what's it called, in my driveway. I feel like selling it, but like, you know, my parents still want that car. I don't know if I'm gonna fix it. We'll see. It's a good car, you know, like I took it to LA so many times. Like there's no problems with it. It's just my dumbass, you know. And I hope you guys enjoyed my dumbass fucking up my car and me sliding. I also blew up on TikTok, so you guys better see that TikTok. I'll put it in the description or something so you guys can see it. 5K likes. I mean, that's a lot to me, but at the same time, I do want to blow up on YouTube, and I hope you guys ride with me till I do. And we're gonna make it happen. Mark my words, and I have to. I gotta make it happen, because fuck no, you know. I do not want to be living, fucking working all my fucking life. Fuck that shit. I want to be up. You know. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good day or night or fucking morning whenever you're watching this. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace. Or what if it's the plastic cover? Oh shit, I shouldn't have done that hella quick because it turned off last time.
Oh, and you put it in reverse?
Yeah, fucking up the transmission. Come on, wait. Get that angle right. Alright, man.